Bitcoin versus gold, maganda rin pakinggan yan. Eh si Peter naman kasi talagang hindi magpapatalo yun eh. Pero ako ang stand ko dyan, why not have both? Kesa nagsusuntukan kayo dyan, pero mo si Peter, sabi niya, hindi, gold lang ako. Eh gold bag talaga yung mama na yon. So hindi siya nag-participate sa Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was just trading at $10,000 per Bitcoin, ay, ayaw niya, it will go to zero. Hindi siya naniniwala. Doon lang din siya sa gold. Safe naman kasi umakyat din naman po yung gold. Pero na-miss niya yung opportunity ng Bitcoin from 10,000 to 100,000. He missed that 10x gain. So why not have both? So tayo, ang tinuturo natin dito, Bitcoin is for wealth creation. Budegahin mo. Kasi mas malaking upside ng Bitcoin when you compare it to gold. Ngayon, gold for active trading, since yung volatility niya is hindi kasing taas ng volatility ng Bitcoin, you do active trading for income generation. So what do I mean by that? So nag-active trade ka, small portion of your portfolio for active trading. Let's say you have $10,000. 9,000, binubodega mo Bitcoin. Yung 1,000, active trading. Nagte-trade ka ng gold actively. Ngayon, let's say on the average, after a year, you gained, let's say, 10%. Sige, $100. So that $100, pwede mong i-funnel or i-channel papunta ngayon, pambodega mo ng Bitcoin. So dagdag. Ngayon, syempre, hindi naman lagi panalo. There will be times na yung active trading mo, yung $1,000 mo, naging, let's say, $500 na lang. So your total portfolio will be 9,500. Pero pag umakyat ng konti yung price ni Bitcoin, bawi mo agad yung 500. Nahuli niyo po? That's how you manage risk. Hindi mo lahat nilalagay sa active trading, especially if you do not have the skill yet. Follow for more Tito Moves.